All right, YouTube, checking back in. Got everything cut out, gutted out. So I'm gonna start cleaning it all up. All right, here's where I'm at so far. I found out later that the car, the Buick Electra, is a little bit bigger than the Impala, so it's better to use the Wildcats and all the Oldsmobiles and those other cars, and not the Cadillacs and the Electras. But the money's already been spent. The stuff is already done. So I had some people said it'll work. Some people said it didn't work. But the only way to really find out is just to try it, and that's what I'm doing there. So I'll let the top back up, and then but I gotta do some more cutting so the rack will fall all the way down. All right, I got that part of the wheels cut out. So the top is going all the way back now. It's right there on the top of the four-wheeler. Come here, I want you to record me. Move you. Get you.
You this one?
Here.
I just have to wait.
Now you gotta pay attention, okay? Pay attention?
Yes.
Drop right down in place.
Huh?
Said it dropped right down in place.
Okay.
All right, let's put the rack up now. Like I said, I can't get a clear answer. Some people say it won't work. Some people say it will work. Some people say it's different.